We really like these Nordic Ware pans. We bought them almost 3 years ago because this is what most of our pans looked like. We kept this one because it was grandma's. This pan, while only half the size, weighs just about as much, if not more, than this pan because these Nordic Wares are made out of aluminum, which means they're not going to warp. See, that's still flat after almost 3 years. Other things we like about it is the lip on the sides are a little bit bigger than our previous ones. I got big hands, I'm a guy, so I like a little bit more to grab onto. That's nice. Also like the fact that it's made in the USA, and whenever you're done cooking, because it's aluminum, it cools off a little faster, which speeds up the cleanup process. One little tip I would add is when I'm doing the cooking, I don't want to clean these things, even though they are easy to clean, so I throw a big piece of 18-inch aluminum on top. Now, if you're cooking French fries or bacon, after you're done cooking, all you got to do is take the foil off, throw that away, and put this back in the cabinet. These Nordic Wares have been great. We've got several different shapes and sizes. Recommend them highly.